Hey guys, this video is about aspect ratios. The screen in which you watch movies, TV shows or play games is divided into ratio of width to the height. The term came out aspect ratio. But what is really an aspect ratio? The aspect ratio of an image or video describes the proportional relationship between its width and its height. It is expressed by two numbers having colon in between them. Aspect ratios are commonly used for images, display, motion picture format, paper sizes, and much more. Starting from 4:3 aspect ratio, it was adopted by many movies and TV shows for decades. Early TVs and old computer monitors were played in 4:3 aspect ratio, having 1024:768 resolution. After years, widescreen was discovered in 1950s. It was developed with a system called Cinerama, which used 3 projectors with a curved screen. But it was way expensive for production, so later on single projector was developed for use of curved and flat screen. In early 20s, most display had a 4:3 aspect ratios and some had 5:4. Then after 16:10 ratios are seen in laptops and standalone monitors in between 2003 to 2006. Around 2008, industry started the 16:9 as a standard ratio for monitors and laptops. And by 2010, all manufacturers moved to 16:9 ratio by default. Main resolution for this ratio was 1920x1080p. In this time, TVs were also manufactured with a 16:9 display. This 16:9 display were used for broadcasting program to HD TV, and it is more popular in gaming resolution. Not only that, it is also used with many popular streaming websites like YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, and other. In 2012, 1920x1080p was the most commonly used resolution. For more immersive experience which fill up the visual field, ultrawide displays were introduced having the 21:9 aspect ratio. These provide more coverage for video which deeply engage you for your entertainment. Many games are adopting support for 21:9 ultrawide resolution for more increased field of view. Samsung also introduced the 32:9 ratio with the curved gaming monitor having 3840x1080p resolution. TV's broadcasts are still 16:9, whereas movies are generally made in the wider 21:9 aspect ratio. So when you're seeing a movie having wider 21:9 ratio on your TV, it will give you a letterboxing. In simple language, having black bars on top and bottom. For the smartphones, aspect ratio was generally a 16:9 ratio, but from 2017 new aspect ratio came out 18:9, which is also known as 2:1, providing more space for screen. New ratio 3:2 also appeared in 2013 with the Chromebook, which gained popularity in 2-in-1 portable PCs including Microsoft Surface tablet. Still cameras, compact digital cameras and DSLR uses 4:3 and 3:2 as a common aspect ratio respectively. Virtual reality also introduced with the 16:10 ratio founded on Oculus Rift for example. Thinking about movies display ratio in theater, the most common aspect ratio used today in the presentation of film in cinemas are 1.85:1 and 2.39:1 for a wider screen standard. With that being said, thanks for watching. If you like our video, give thumbs up, consider subscribing, and see you next time.